Hey guys, this is Robert and here's the package, so let's open it up and see what's inside. Okay, we have a pack of batteries here. AA batteries, they're rechargeable, maximum power. Charge it up to 2,000 times, 2,000 milliamps. Here's that, if you're interested. Typical things you find on AA batteries. And that's it. So if you're interested in this pack, the link will be in the description below. Using that link, you will help support the channel. So thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share the video, and I will see you next time.